Mirrored door storage solutions for small homes let you combine reflection and storage, so you save floor space and add real utility. Start by choosing the mirrored door system that matches your wall depth and use case. For a traditional closet door, convert to internal shelving by installing narrow, fixed, or adjustable shelves that sit behind the mirror panel. Use shallow shelves for folded scarves and deeper ones for sweaters, and place heavier items low to keep the door balanced. For jewelry storage, mount slim, velvet-lined hooks or a low-profile bar behind the mirror so necklaces hang without tangling, and add small magnetic trays for rings. If you cannot recess fixtures, use adhesive-backed organizers specified for mirrors to avoid damage. A full-length mirror with shoe storage pockets uses vertical shoe pockets sewn to a sturdy fabric backing that hangs on the door. Orient pockets sew heavier shoes sit near the hinge side to reduce torque. Consider a mirror panel cabinet where the mirror is a door to a recessed box with adjustable shelves and pegboard sections. Install soft close hinges and use removable shelf liners to protect polished surfaces. Adhesive mirror organizers are best for renters. Select products with high shear adhesive rated for both glass and your door material. Press firmly for the recommended time and wait the full cure period before loading items. For all installations, measure twice, check hinge clearance so the door closes smoothly, and balance loads so the mirror does not warp or stress mounts. People often overload shelves, which causes sagging and makes doors hard to close, so limit each shelf to its rated weight and distribute heavier items on lower shelves. Another common issue is tacky adhesives failing on textured or painted doors, so test a small area first and switch to mechanical fasteners if the surface is porous. Finally, many buyers pick mirror panels that are too thin and prone to cracking. Choose a tempered mirror or use a mirror mounted to a rigid backing and add edge trim to protect the glass. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like mirror door organizers, so we make it easy to find local help and practical ideas. We also host a discussion community where we share installation tips, product recommendations, and before and after photos to help both homeowners and contractors find the right opportunities.